Hello and welcome to K1 Repair Center. Today we have a PS5 here that is not turning on. When press the button, it's not turning on. Power go in, we got 12 volts here. Power supply is okay, I've checked it already, I've opened it. Don't need to show how to open it, I'm very sure you know how to open them. So now we are going to have a look what it is the problem. Firstly, before I start to, honestly, you have to check the 12 volt is power coming in, and you got the 12 volt it's coming here. And but before I start to have a check at everything, I'm going to check the fuses. You got few fuses. It start with the letter F. You got in different places. You got the fuses. Check the fuses. It's not blow up, because this is the easiest way to first to have a find out it is the problem, and is it coming a fault. It's not coming a fault, but however it can be happen. So what we are going to do now, we are put the multimeter in testing, and we are going to check the fuses. Okay. So we started from top here, top there. We got F5401, F5402, we got F7003, and so on and so on. So we let this start it to do it. I see here something. Okay, let's have a look. This is the one. This is good. Next one, F5402 is good. Now we are carry on to down here, F7003. It's that one there. Okay. That is not good. That is not good. And we got F7502. It's good. Okay, I don't need to carry on to have a look, because I think we have found the problem. Yeah. That is need to be replaced. That one was easy. So you got the letter and the fuses. Honestly, I have no idea what is that one mean. I think it is the ampere. I know it's for PS4 is a 1 amp. Is it correct?
PS4, yes.
PS4 is 1 ampere. And you got letter TH. That one is a T, and is you can't find that fuse on the PS4. PS4. Have you got PS4? What if maybe muss das hier wegmachen, weil man sieht, no, this is a slim one, is it? This is a slim.
Yeah.
No, that one, huh? So PS4, we got the F here. And we got there, you can see this is for PS4. Let's have a check it first before I check it out is working. Yeah, you got few on the PS4. You got all the places. You got here as well, I think. You got one here as well. T. Yeah, my PS5 is a 5F5104. Yeah. So let's take that one out and replace it with the other one. I'm going to test it and have a look how is new. You got a letter on it, what I said before is a TH. This is two letter what I have found until now, and I have no idea what this means. I think it is something to do with the ampere. But you did same. So let me just take a little bit. Okay. Here. So let me bring it back to PS5. Which one was it? I think it was that 17, yeah. Again. Oh, let me cover it, that one. You don't want to overheat the other component and damage the other component or lose them, just to save them up. They're all a little bit too hard to take them out because needed more temperature because of the load the amp is going through it. Okay. Okay. Just let me give a look at the plane here. So let's measure it again. Where was it? Okay. So let us put it back in and have a look. Is have it make any difference? Hopefully it's working. If not, we need to carry on with the more diagnostic. I need to find out what is that one going, please. Yeah, you got the time. Not now, because I'm just testing it, alright? So this is not right. So okay, put the power in. Power flex. Right. Let's have a look. Finger cross. Yeah. I don't know if you heard the peep. It's peeping. It's turning on. So that the problem was the fuser. What we have checked. If your PS5 is not turning on, and the power go in, check it first here. It's 12 volt is going through it, and check everything. Start to checking the fuses before you start to do any other chip. Someone has told me is the Panasonic chip is need to be replaced, reball, and what is that one?
Retimer?
Not the retimer, this one.
Oh,
South something.
Southbridge.
Southbridge chip is take it out on reball on that. Of course, it can be happen, but before you start to take anything out, check the fuse. It start with the letter F. Check everything is all the fuse is okay. In that case, it was easy job. That one is what we are lucky. Customers honestly don't have to. Is they have to pay?
No.
No, the customers don't need to pay because actually it was easy job, you know, and it's not taking too much time. I just put it back together. So before you start to take everything out on reballing or rejoining, whatever, check the fuses first. Alright guys, if you need help, drop me comment. Please subscribe to my channel to keep me going. And if you need help, drop me comment. If you need to send me message, it's www.k1repaircenter.com. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and hopefully see you in next video soon. Thank you.